As part of my social studies lesson on water scarcity, I want students to do a presentation. It'll be a group project, but I would like to generate a rubric to provide the students with so they know exactly what I am looking for in their presentations. I can do that using Google Gemini right through Google Classroom. So when you're in Google Classroom, in the Gemini app, you can click on Create a Rubric. It's going to ask me for the grade level, how many performance levels I would like, 3, 4, or 5. I will choose 5. I can choose the exact assignment instructions or even upload the assignment if I have it in Google Drive. So I am going to provide the information on what I am having students do. And then describe the knowledge or skills I want the students to demonstrate. This is going to be what I would like the rubric to be based upon. And then I'm going to say, generate the criteria. So Gemini will do its magic. Here's my suggested rubric criteria. If I don't like that, I can regenerate this criteria and see what else it says. So here I am. I want these 4: understanding of water scarcity and root causes, analysis of diverse perspectives, quality and feasibility of proposed solutions, and cultural sensitivity and ethical considerations. Or I can regenerate this again because I really want to be sure I have this clarity and persuasiveness of communication in there. So you have opportunities to do this. You can also manipulate this information on your own and add anything additional you would like. So now I'm going to say generate rubric. So here is my rubric. I have the criterion. Is it exceeding, meeting, approaching, or far from approaching? Understanding of water scarcity and root causes, and it gives me the exemplar information for each of the criteria and each of the levels. If I am happy with this rubric, I can export it into a Google Sheet, I can export it to Google Docs, or I can add it directly to my Google Classroom. If I export it to Sheets or export it to Docs, I can then manipulate it further if I would like. I can't manipulate it in here and change any of the information. But if I export it to Sheets or Docs, I can then manipulate that and modify as needed. So that's how you can create a rubric for any assignment using Gemini through Google Classroom.